is Watermelon.
My name is Pineapple.
And we are the Fruit Squad. Okay, let's begin. Today we're playing Cheese Escape.
Yeah. And one of our friends,
Mango.
Cherry and Mango are offline, so we couldn't listen together.
But maybe next time everyone will be online.
Wait, I'm a roast this restaurant. It's so fun.
What?
Guys, let's go. Girl.
Dara is so ugly. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sure if it's camping again.
Feel free to sigaw. Feel free to...
Oh my god, it's chasing us! It's chasing us! Oh my gosh! Strawberries! Oh my god!
Okay, dapat dito, para...
No one Tagalog, okay?
Okay, let's go. Butterbread at saka butterbread at saka pwede ko parang pwede ko rin magsigaw, pero hindi ko lang marinig yung iyong boses. Kailangan mo talaga yung para...
By the way, I'm not stopping anything, okay?
Wait lang. No one talk. Tia first. Tia, say hello. Hello, Tia. Hello, Tia. Hello.
Pineapple, say hello.
Ciao.
Again.
Medyo lang. Ciao. Laksi yan.
Like, where? You sound so cool. Yes, we can. Everyone. I swear if the rat is camping. Oh my gosh, seriously.
Wait. Do not go there first. We need to roast this.
The rat is so ugly. It eats just because it's hungry.
Guys, you need to be careful. Yeah.
Or else we'll die.
Jared, guys, you need to be careful. Wait, ako.
Oh my gosh, go back.
Go. Let's go. Let's just trust the process.
Okay. I thought you were gonna go.
Oh my gosh.
We're not even gonna go.
I died again. Guys, where are you?
Guys, I lost you. Should I reset?
Guys, my God. Guys, I died. Guys,
My God.
Naglalagay ako ng captions. Yung captions, kunyari, sa edit, lalagay ko yung parang text para ma-understand ng people ang sinasabi natin. Tapos kasi, si Zia lang, konti na siya salita, manonotice nila.
Why are you laughing?
Yung anak ko, Zia, dapat ito din parang
Still sends me.
Okay, go!
Go! Hey, strawberry. Straw.
Strawberry, let's go!
Hey, berry. Oh my god. Guys, you're here. Follow.
Oh my God! I died.
I'ma just open this gate lang. Okay.
Where's the apple? pineapple. Ito na maamoy ng ano.
Pineapple? Did pineapple live?
There's pineapple. Oh my God.
Pine- oh, she's there. Hi, pineapple.
Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just make sure the oh my God.
Just go, let's go.
The cheese.
Go, 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 go. Yeah.
I'm a big back. Yeah, you are. Yeah, of course I am. Oh my God.
I screamed with my mouth closed.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I was like the.
Let's go.
I'm back at lobby. Luckily, I remember everything of like the room. Well, only the safe zones.
Can you remember Albert Einstein?
Yes.
What did he say?
You said be smart.
Okay, be smart. Okay. Where's pineapple?
Pineapple. Pineapple, why do you keep disappearing even though you're in the lobby? Oh my gosh, what the hell is this?
Okay. Let me. Okay, I'm in the lobby again. Hey, we got pineapple back. Wait, let's go here. Let's go here, guys.
That's a stinky rat.
Wait. Okay. Come here. Let's go. Let's go.
Follow the leader. Who's the leader? Not there. Me staying calm.
My guide okay, what's the rest? Let's lead the way. Okay, the second kid.
Me and Grace died.
Pineapple, let's go.
Where's
Oh my God.
oh my gosh, Grape did a double kill.
Guys, I was here and then the stinky rat
It's back.
Let's just go here, oh my God. Grape almost died.
She almost died 3 times in a row.
Let's go. Watermelon, let's lead the way. Let's lead the first,
Hey.
second cheese. Hey, not here, legs. When we
Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Oh my gosh.
yes, sir.
Why did you leave me?
We lost. Where's watermelon?
I found the cheese. I'm literally trying to find my way back. I found the. My God, kakaiyamot!
Guys, we have a we need our mission is to find watermelon.
I'm literally finding so much cheese without y'all.
Oh!
Now I have 4 cheese.
If you don't
Actually now 5.
Oh no, bro. Watermelon.
Well, I'm sorry. But
Okay, Martina, how many minutes na yan?
it has been 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Okay, let's end it.
Okay. Wait, let me just reset. Let me
Guys, let's
reset.
go. Great to hear. Yung outro natin. Anong outro natin? Ano?
I can't zoom out.
Thank you for watching.
Guys, I can't zoom out.
Where's strawberry? Where's strawberry?
Why don't I just do this there and like that?
Where's strawberry? She left.
Strawberry.
She left.
Okay, guys, today Strawberry just left, but
Okay, wait up. Outro. And we don't know if strawberry left. She left. Okay, yung outro natin, guys. She left. Thank you for watching.
watching.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe so the rats won't chase you.
Wait, guys.
Hey.
Wait.